In this video, I will talk about why we should move from Java 8 to Java 11. In Java 11, there are a lot of features. So we will see what is the difference in Java 8 and Java 11 regarding the string implementation. So I have two instances of IDE. One is configured with Java 8 and another is with Java 11. So first we will see in Java 8. So here very simple few lines of code, and if we just go to the string class, as we can see the underlying data structure is array of character, and we know in Java that character has the size of 2 bytes. So every character will take 2 bytes, and if this particular string English has 3 characters, it will take 6 bytes in the memory. So let's see, in the debugger mode I have used a breakpoint here, and let me run in debug mode. So as you can see, this variable is array of characters and it has of size 3. So eventually it will take 6 bytes of memory. Okay, now we will see in Java 11. Here this instance is configured with Java 11. You can see from here as well. So first we will look into the string class in Java 11. So here is the difference. So underlying data structure is array of bytes instead of characters. So let me quickly show in the debug mode. So here you can see it's an array of bytes, and it will take only 3 bytes, while in the previous example in Java 8 it was taking 6 bytes. So as you can see, there is a 50% reduction in memory consumption in string when we are using Java 11. So the main reason behind this is in Java they supported like every character available. That is why they decided to make the character size is 2 byte. But in real life, mostly applications use only Latin characters, which can be represented in just 1 byte. So in Java 11, they implemented a compact string feature where it can be decided on the runtime. Like we can, if we can represent the character in 1 byte or 2 byte. So here in this example, if I uncomment bottom 2 lines, so in this I have used 3 Chinese characters. So let me quickly show you in the debug mode. So here the string China, it is taking 6 bytes because these characters cannot be represented by using just 1 byte. So this needs 2 bytes per character. So, and here you can see one attribute as a coder. If it is simple Latin character using 1 byte, it is coder is equal to 0, and if it is taking 2 bytes, then coder is set to 1. So that's how string implementation in Java 11, and I hope you understand the difference between Java 8 and 11 regarding string implementation, and hopefully you will try to upgrade your application from Java 8 to Java 11. Thank you for watching this.